Flags hung high from every wall, in church on Sunday and most Wednesdays. Every chance to know you, God. Making friends or making enemies, one of many's just a kid, doing Jesus things as they did. And God, I thank you for it. Oh, to know the greater measure of your grace, the 30, and oh, to mean my holy, just a boy doing Jesus things. Lecture hall and chapel hour, flags hung high from every wall. Oh, to know this man named Jesus, to know him like they did. And on that day in my weakness, you spoke your word as clear as day, that you've never left and you're never leaving, and you're worth the price that you paid. Oh, to know the greater measure of your grace, and 19, and oh, to mean my holy, just a boy doing Jesus things. Sitting here in the armchair, known and loved by the King. I know there's room at the table for me. I know you like I know you. And why you took the time to look on me, I'll never know for all my needs. But now I mean my holy, God, I thank you for. Now I know a greater measure of your grace. I'm learning to walk with you is dying daily. Just a boy doing Jesus things. Was just a boy doing Jesus things. Now I'm a boy doing Jesus.